Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. We are going right in. This wig is from UNice. This hair is so beautiful. I've had this wig since February, baby. I freshly just washed her, so this is why she is looking like that. Baby, she has been worn. Okay, she has been worn. So right now I'm going to show you guys how I refresh the curls and add volume and body to her. So right now I am going to be using a spray bottle. I'm going to re-wet her, and then I'm going to brush her out with a detangling brush, and then I will be adding some foaming mousse throughout this process as well. So it's going to be a repeated water, mousse, brush, mousse, water, brush. So yeah. She does drink up a lot of water, so you want to generously add water, and you definitely don't want to skimp on the foaming mousse as well. I decided to switch to Lotta Body because the Nairobi foaming mousse has been, as of lately, I don't know if it's my nose or I don't know. The older I'm getting, I'm very sensitive to smells. Nairobi just has a weird smell to it, so this Lotta Body smelled so good, so I'm switching to Lotta Body. I'm just playing around with how I manipulate the curls. I just want to show you guys how it looks. So I will be doing finger coils in the hair to give it that extra curl. Like I've said, I've had this hair since February. I wore this hair for my birthday. My birthday was May 13th, so Taurus season. But by the time this is put up, I'm pretty sure we'll be entering Gemini season. So shout out to the Geminis. This was my go-to running errands, party, birthday. Like, I wore this hair everywhere. I got complimented. This wig is definitely a head turner because she does get big once she dries down. I think you guys are really going to love the results of this wig. So after all the detangling and adding the mousse and the water, this is how much hair came out. Minimal hair. So right now I am diffusing her. So this is the second step. So the first step was basically adding all my products, the mousse, the water, and detangling her. And now the second step is me using the actual diffuser to dry the curls. Just like any other natural hairstyle, you just want to make sure that the hair is dry before you start separating the curls, because you don't want a lot of frizz, you don't want a lot of flyaways. Of course, after using the diffuser, I did let her air dry as well. So once you see me actually picking her out and separating the curls, the hair is 100% dry. So that is what she is looking like after using the diffuser. That's what she looks like from the back. That is her up close. Curls are beautiful. I did not glue her down, so you can definitely wear this hair glueless. So right now I'm going in with some oil to just kind of just put on my hand so I can just put it throughout the hair, and I will be separating the curls. And this is the fun part. This is where you actually see the hair gradually get bigger throughout the video. Like I said, I wore her everywhere. I love how easy she was to put on, so she's definitely beginner friendly. She does come with that drawstring. Her colorway is beautiful. I love the ombre effect at the bottom of the hair. There was minimum tangling, minimal shedding. Once she dried down, the curls were beautiful. They were big, they were juicy, and this is what the hair looks like at the end. If you want to know more about this wig, it will be in my description box below. I would like to thank UNice for sending me this unit. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.